Hello guys! Ayan, try din natin kumain ng panipuri. So, I'm here in Qatar. Ayan, maraming pagkain Indian food. So, sikat ngayon ang pagkain ng panipuri online. So, ako naman ay bumili. Ayan, ito yung kanyang filling. So, made in... Hindi ko alam kung saan gawa to. But I think this is like beans and parsley. Yeah. And this one is the sauce, which is the tamarind soup. Yeah. So, camera, show it. Ayan. Di ata gaano kita. Ayan. Kita. Ayan. So, and then we have this. Balls. Ayan, yung mga balls. Yes. Nak, you wanna try it? Okay. So, ayan, ikakarak natin itong mga balls na to gamit ang spoon. So, I'm gonna get a spoon. So, ayan, i-crack natin ito. Oh! See the sound? Ganda ng sound. Wow, diba? Ganda ng sound. Adjust natin ang ating camera para makita lahat. Ayan. Medyo malayo-layo konti. Ayan. Para kita si panipuri. Ayan. Oh. Let's try it. Oh, the sound is very interesting. Ayan. So, let's crack it. So, put some. Ayan. Crack na. Some filling. Ay, nahulog. Nahulog. Ayun, may onion din pala siya. There's an onion on it. So, onion. Some more. And the sauce. Let's put the sauce. So, ayan. Kitang-kita ba? So, ayan. Oh, yeah. The sauce. Ayan. So, let's have some taste. Yeah. Sarap naman. Not bad. It's tasty. Some more? Good. Very good. Another one. Wanna try also, baby? Can you give me some nuts? Yep. And this is the second one. So, maglulobot na yung ating camera. Can you give me some nuts? Oh, thank you. No, I want more almond, please. Then, not bad. It's good. Crunchy, chewy, and spicy. That's it. You try eating as well, and thank you for watching. God bless you all. Click, follow, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Mama.